Dear students, Rungamali Gopt Pilot High School, how are you? How are you? Because we are passing, you are all of the students are well known that we are passing a risky period. Risky period means COVID-19. So you will maintain the rules of health or health of hygiene. Of course, you maintain it to be cured. সুস্থতার জন্য অবশ্যই আমাদের স্বাস্থ্যবিধি মেনে চলতে হবে, এর বিকল্প নেই। However, the last week you have learned changing voice by past continuous tense. How to make changing voice by past continuous tense the last week, but today you will learn past perfect tense. By past perfect tense, changing the voice into passive mood. So be attentive and look at the board. I shall teach you the passive active to passive mood by past perfect tense. I have write down the rule. Follow the rule. What is the rule? Past perfect tense, active to passive mood. Structure or rule. Object ke subject. When we make a voice change active to passive, we will follow the rule. Object ke subject, then auxiliary verb had been, then verb 3, then by preposition, then subject ke object. As for example, active, mother had cooked hotspot. All of the students, you are well known about past perfect tense. This is conjugation. Mother had cooked hotspot, মা খিচুড়ি রান্না করিয়েছিলেন। Then how can we make into passive mood? Passive mood, we have taken hotspot as a subject. Then auxiliary verb had been. Object ke subject. Then we have taken auxiliary verb had been. Then verb 3. Look at the board, and if you look at the board, you will well known about this voice. Then verb 3, then by preposition, then subject ke object e রূপান্তর। Subject আমাদের mother had cooked hotspot, object ke subject, hotspot had been cooked by mother. Though we are known about the rule and passive mood, object ke subject, then had been, auxiliary verb had been, then verb 3, then by preposition, then subject ke object. In this way we will make passive mood to take this rule. However, your homework, the next week you will learn the active to passive mood by future indefinite tense. future indefinite tense. You will see the rule. You will see the rule. Future FUTURE. Future indefinite tense. Indefinite tense. How can we passive mood by future indefinite tense? You will follow the rule. Dear students, I have some advices for you that many person or many men know that English is an hard subject. English is an difficult subject. But I say English is not a difficult subject if you are interested to learn English. English is an interesting subject. If you well known to achieve it. My advices are those. If you want to be gainer, if you want to be skillful, if you want to be smart, and if you want to be successful life, though you should need to learn English. There is no instead of English. So goodbye. Goodbye till then. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.